In this video, I'm going to talk about a fully funded scholarship that will allow you to study for free. This scholarship is International Priority Scholarship at UMS University Muhammadiyah Surakarta. This university is in Indonesia and you will go to study for free in Indonesia. Let's see the benefit of this fully funded scholarship. The scholarship will cover the tuition fees, will give you allowance, a salary per month until $112. The scholarship will cover also the visa fees, health insurance, the residency permit, and you will have also one preparatory year. You will learn Indonesian language Bahasa for 1 year for free before starting the main program. Now let's see the eligibility. The scholarship requires you to have a GPA over 25%. The validity of your passport should be at least 1 year and a half. The scholarship requires you a minimum age for bachelor's degree. Those who are applying for bachelor's degree, your age should not exceed 25. Those who for master's degree, your age should not exceed 30. And those for PhD, your age should be under 35 years old. Now I'm going to show you the process from A to Z in my computer, how to apply to this scholarship. This is the main page of the university UMS website. So now the first thing we have to do is to see the necessary information about the scholarship. Then you come here, UMS scholarship. These are all the necessary information about this scholarship. So the scholarship benefits generally include tuition fees, waived on-campus health services, and Bahasa Indonesia for international students. Course for those who wish to apply in regular program. The duration of this program, of this scholarship, 8 semesters for bachelor's degree, 4 semesters for master, and 6 semesters for PhD doctoral. Now the coverage of this scholarship, the benefits of this scholarship: full tuition fees, living allowance, 1,750,000 rupee Indonesians per month, equivalent to $112. So this scholarship will cover also the book fees, the book allowance, health insurance, visa fees, limited stay permit, return air flight ticket. After you finish your studies, they will give you a free flight ticket to return to your home country. Free 1 year Bahasa class for students who choose regular class. Let's see the eligibility. Minimum GPA 75%. You can calculate your GPA. At least you should have 75% to apply. Passport validity minimum 18 months from January of the commencement year. Maximum age for bachelor's degree under 25 years old, for master degree under 30, and for PhD under 35 years old. Willing to pay a visa deposit of 6 million rupees and will be returned after coming to Indonesia. Here they will tell you to sign a document that you pay the visa fees by yourself, and after being in Indonesia, so they will they will pay you back the visa fees. These are the required documents. A passport. The passport should have a white background. Then the latest academic certificate, the latest academic transcript, language certificate. If you intend to study in English, you have to provide one of these certificates, TOEFL, IELTS, or Duolingo. The easiest one to get is Duolingo. You can do it. It's not even expensive. Or if you want to study 1 year Bahasa for free, 1 year Indonesian language for free, and then after you will study your main program. Then here you have to scan your passport, the cover of your passport. Make sure that you scan fully. Every corner must be scanned. You have to make sure to scan very well your passport. The cover outside of the passport, you have to scan that. Then scan of detail information passport. Make sure that you scan page 1 and page 2 fully. Every corner must be scanned. When you open your passport, there's a section containing your information, so you have to scan the 2 pages of that side. Then we continue here. You have to provide an academic recommendation letter from previous academic supervisor. You go to your previous school and you just a request, I need a recommendation letter, so they will make it for you and you have to use it here. For PhD, you have to provide a research plan for a doctoral program. You have to provide the document here. And medical report, you have also to get a medical report. You go to a clinic, you go to any clinic, and you request a medical report, so they will check you and make a report. So the financial guarantee for non-scholarship program, this is not concerning you. This is for those who want to go to study with their own money, but you want to apply for a scholarship. So agree and declaration letter. So you will sign a paper that you pay the visa by your money. After going to Indonesia, the scholarship committee will pay you back the visa fees. So now these are the necessary information about the scholarship. Now let's go and begin the application process. First, come here, sign in. Now, I have already created my account. Now for you, it's your first time. Then you come here, sign up. You come here, you put your email, you create a password, you confirm your password, then you click sign up. You'll receive an email, click open that email, click the link there, confirm your account, and come back here, sign in. Put your email, your password, and you can sign in. This is where we do the application process. First, you come here, my account, and you have to fill all these informations. You have to put your photo. The photo should, so you upload the file here, and you write your name, your last name, your middle name, your passport, your country of origin. You have to precise your country of origin here, and your citizenship. Here you put your date of birth, your place of birth, your marital status, are you single, married, or divorced. So you put here gender, male or female. Here your address. You put where you live now. So here is your origin and here is your address. So you put where you live now. So I'm living in Malaysia right now. So you put your country where you live. So here you put the here you put more details about your address, the province, the city, the home address, the postal code. You can get the postal code. If you don't know, just to Google it. Recent residential address. So you can just, if you were living in the same address, so you just confirm here. Here is your contact number. You put your phone number. Here you choose if you have a WhatsApp. You can mention here WhatsApp. You give your WhatsApp number. Emergency contact. You give one emergency contact name, the phone number of the person, the relationship, and you put the address of that person, then you save. This is your account. Now we are going to begin the application process. You come here, you click application, you come here, register. Now this is how you start the application process. You have three choices here. Whether you apply for bachelor's degree, for master's, or PhD, doctoral. So we go through the process of bachelor's degree, and for master and doctoral is the same process, just to follow the instructions. So here, let's register. Now here, this is the application. We have to fill all these informations. First, they ask passport information. You put here a passport number, the expiry date of your passport. Here you upload the scan of the passport cover. So you have to upload it here. The scan of the passport itself, containing your personal information. Here they ask about previous academic background. You have to precise your previous school. You mention here your previous school, the address of the school, the year of enrollment, year of graduation, your GPA. You have to mention your GPA, and this, and down here you have to precise the maximum. And here you have to precise the maximum GPA. For example, if your GPA is 3 out of 4, then you put here 3 and out of 4. If your GPA, for example, out of 20, so you put here 15 and out of 20. If in terms of percentage, you just put here the the GPA you got, and here you put 100. After you upload here this kind of academic certificate, you upload here this kind of latest academic transcript, you upload it here, this kind of academic recommendation letter, you get it from your previous institution, school, or university, just to go and request a recommendation letter, so they will make it for you, and you upload it here. Now now let's see here the study program. Now here, commencement date, you only have to choose here, no other choice, the intake of 2 September 2025. So you will go to start the studies in 2025, September 2025. The funding, you got to be careful here. You have many options. Self-funded, if you have money, if you got money, you can go and study by your own. But if you don't have money, you can apply here for the scholarship, International Priority Scholarship, full funding. And there is also partial funding part. If you feel like you have a bit of money, so you can afford, so you can also apply for partial funding. But for those who want to get fully funded scholarship, just click here, International Priority Scholarship, full funding. After you choose a program, so the program, whether international or regular. If you choose international program, you have to provide English certificate. If you choose a regular program, you don't need to provide any certificate of language, because you will go through 1 year, through one preparatory year to learn Indonesian Bahasa before you start your main program. So you choose regular if you want to study 1 year Indonesian language before you start your program. Otherwise, you have to provide English certificate for international program. So select the faculty you want to study. Here they have couple of faculties: teaching, practice, and education, Islamic study, health science, pharmacy, economic and business, geography. They have law, psychology, engineering, communication, and informatics. So, for example, if you want to study health science, you click the faculty of health science. Let's see the program under this faculty. So you have here psychology, therapy, you have here nutrition, nursing, in Bahasa, you have public health. But yeah, let's take another faculty. Let's see here. If you want to study, for example, geography, you open here, so you find under faculty of geography there's only one program, geography. So you will choose the faculty that you wish to study here. Engineering, for example, you get here a couple of programs: architecture, electrical engineering, civil engineering, industrial engineering, chemical, mechanical engineering, and you can choose one of these programs. So here you have to upload the proficiency of the language. Then here is the matter. If you choose a program as like international, you have to provide the English certificate here. But if you choose regular, the scholarship says you will study 1 year preparatory to learn Indonesian Bahasa language before you start your main program. So you don't need to provide any certificate for that. So you just need to fill the application form. Just upload here your previous, the latest transcript, just to provide here the latest transcript, and you move. He says they have a couple of questions here you have to answer. So here, your motivation, describe your motivation for applying for this program. What drives you to pursue higher education in your chosen field, and how do you believe this program will help you achieve your goals? You have to answer here in a couple of words in one paragraph maximum. Here they gave you 150 words. And then next, your study plan. Outline your study plan for the duration of your program. What specific courses, research projects, or academic activities do you intend to focus on? And how these align with your long-term academic and career objectives. So you have also to answer this question in one paragraph, not exceeding 150 words. Next, you go academic and non-academic experience. You mention here any reward experience, any work experience, volunteering, extracurricular activity, entrepreneurship, anything you did, you can highlight it here in one paragraph. It should be less than 150 words. Here, this section is only for PhD applicants. For PhD applicant, what are your plans after completing your studies with the help of this program? To answer this question, describe how you intend to apply the knowledge and skills you will gain to contribute to your field, community, and or country. Include any specific career goals, projects, or initiatives you plan to undertake. You have to answer here maximum 150 words. After completing all this information, you go back here, you check your information. If there's any mistake, you correct. If everything is okay, then you come down here, you click submit application, and you have already submitted the application once clicking here. So after here, you just come to my submission. you will get the summary of your application here. So the precise here, the academic year, funding, degree, faculty, study program, and you check the status of your application here as well as in your email. You check your email time after time to see if you got any response from them. So this is all about this video. So if you found this video helpful, like, comment, share with other people so that you will help other people to get the opportunity, even though you're not interested. If you know someone that looking for a scholarship or opportunity to study abroad for free, so recommend them our channel. So this is our first video. We'll continue uploading more videos talking about scholarship and opportunities. We show the process step by step, A to Z, for people to apply by themselves. You don't need to go through any agency. You just need to get the website, the right website, the accurate, the legit website, and you apply through your smartphone. So see you in the next video.